Chayote might look like a wrinkled pear, but this humble squash is packed with nutrients your body will thank you for. Let's break down everything you need to know about it. Nutritional profile of chayote. Chayote is a low-calorie vegetable that delivers impressive nutritional value. A single cup contains fiber, vitamin C, folate, and potassium, along with small amounts of manganese and vitamin B6. It is naturally low in fat and sodium, making it a smart addition to almost any diet. Because it is mostly water, chayote also helps keep you hydrated, while still offering the vitamins and minerals your body needs for daily function. Health benefits of chayote. Chayote supports heart health thanks to its potassium content, which helps regulate blood pressure levels. Its high fiber content aids digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. The antioxidants found in chayote, including vitamin C, help fight free radicals and may reduce inflammation in the body. Some studies suggest chayote may also support healthy blood sugar levels, making it a useful vegetable for people managing diabetes. Additionally, its folate content makes it beneficial for pregnant women, as folate supports fetal development. Chayote for weight management. If you are trying to lose weight, chayote can be a great ally. It is low in calories yet high in fiber, which helps you feel full for longer and reduces overall calorie intake. Adding chayote to salads, soups, or stir-fries is an easy way to bulk up meals without adding excess calories. Skin and immune benefits. The vitamin C in chayote plays a key role in collagen production, which keeps skin looking firm and youthful. It also strengthens the immune system, helping your body fight off infections and recover faster from illness. Ways to add chayote to your diet. Chayote is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. You can slice it raw into salads for a crunchy texture, sauté it with garlic and onions as a quick side dish, or add it to soups and stews where it soaks up flavor beautifully. In many cuisines, it is also mashed, grilled, or stuffed and baked, pairing easily with almost any spice or seasoning. Side effects and precautions. While chayote is generally safe for most people, eating it in excess may cause digestive discomfort such as bloating or gas due to its fiber content. People with known allergies to similar vegetables should introduce chayote cautiously. It is also important to wash and prepare chayote properly, as the skin can cause mild skin irritation in some individuals when handled raw. As always, moderation is key, and consulting a doctor is wise if you have specific health concerns. So there you have it. Chayote is a nutrient-dense, low-calorie vegetable that deserves a spot on your plate. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and let us know in the comments if you plan to try chayote. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.